going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And today we're gonna have a pretty interesting fun video. As you can see, I'm up $1,100 on my portfolio at the moment, and this portfolio, which I've been recording for these past couple weeks in Robinhood, this is actually my options portfolio. This is where all I do on this portfolio is options trading. So I'll show you my holdings right now. I have quite a bit. Most of them are Dropbox, though. That's where most of my money and most of my profits are coming from. So I have a couple Dropbox calls, as you can see right here. $30 call, $23 call, $20 call, and a $22 call. And the other company that we're also invested in is a company called Tattoo Chef. We have a $22.5 call, and at the moment we are $90 up on that position. And I also have a Walgreens position with strike price at $47.5, expiring a year from now. That one is up $293. Now, I did have three Walgreens contracts actually, but as you can check right here in my history, I sold one of them for $550, which was a nice profit. My average cost basis was $310, so I had like around $200. It was a $240 profit. So that's why my account has been growing pretty quickly. Every now and then I will have, like, for example, Tattoo Chef. It expires in a year. All these options that I'm holding are leaps. They have so much time before they expire, and they've been doing pretty well. A lot of these stocks are growth companies, and they're not terribly expensive, so you can buy a good number of contracts. So as you can see over here, Dropbox, I have 10 contracts here, and my average cost basis was $165, and currently they're sitting at $378. And my return on this position alone, these 10 contracts, is $2,130. So typically these companies like Dropbox, which if we check over to see how expensive these shares are, they're $23. So it's not terribly expensive. This is actually, I'm going to show you all right now. So I have 16 contracts with Dropbox and Robinhood, and in total I'm up $3,170. And I'm still waiting for Dropbox to climb more. I have a ton of time on so many of these contracts. I'm honestly going to wait for Dropbox to hit 30. Then at that point, I'm really going to reassess and think if I want to skim some profits off and, hold the rest, some of the longer term contracts for longer. So I do have one at the very bottom, as you can see, this $22 call expiring in a whole year. And the strike price is $22. These two contracts, I might actually hold all the way through expiration, and I might exercise these just because Dropbox is an excellent company and I have faith in Dropbox, and I would be down to own some shares of Dropbox. So most likely going to keep these last two contracts, and I'll hopefully be able to fund the purchasing of all those shares, executing these contracts with my other contracts also for profits. So that's the plan for now. At the moment, we're up quite a good amount. Even on the week, we're up a good amount. See, in the month, we're a little bit negative. In one of our videos for Dropbox, we showed that we were around right here. We're up to 8K, and Dropbox has since dropped a little bit. So we check over here, go to the 1 month. See, our portfolio is largely determined by Dropbox just because of how large of a position we have. Let's see, 16 contracts. Our position with Dropbox is $6,250, which makes up the vast majority of our money here in Robinhood. So it makes sense that our portfolio very closely resembles the 1 month chart for Dropbox. But if you look over here, at some point Dropbox was at $24, and then it dropped down all the way to $21, and now it's climbing back up. So again, we have so much time left in these contracts that we're not going to sell them right now. We're going to hold on for a little bit longer. And let's check out these other companies. Tattoo Chef. Here it is. So Tattoo Chef, I bought it when it was closer to down over here. Average cost basis of $910. Currently valued, or no, I lied. Average cost basis of $820. Currently valued at $910. And then let's check out Walgreens. Walgreens has been on a tear. Look at Walgreens. Past 3 months up 28%. Past week up 14%. These contracts, they doubled my money. And part of why they've been going up so fast is if we look at their earnings, Q1 earnings, they absolutely destroyed it. And they're just positioned to keep growing. A lot of analysts have been upgrading Walgreens to a buy now, and they've also been upgrading their fair price valuation for one share upwards to $55. So this is a stock that, again, I have a year left before it expires, and I'm going to hold for the long run as well. That's the plan with Dropbox, Tattooed Chef, and Walgreens, really. These leaps, I just got them not long ago, and I'll be making videos updating on which new leaps I buy and also how they're performing. But at the moment, that's going to be it for this short video, basically just displaying what I have on my options portfolio. I feel like options is much more excited for content wise just because it's more volatile. So I'll be posting my options portfolio every now and then, so look out for that. Make sure you subscribe, like the video if you liked it. If you're not, dislike it, tell me why. Hope you have a great day, and see y'all later. Bye.